So I'm editing this scene I shot with Bela Lugosi in Final Cut, but something is wrong.
People, all going somewhere.
Since I decided against using music in this scene, all I have audio-wise are Mr. Bela Lugosi here's little kibbles and bits and pieces and snippets of dialogue. The thing I forgot about is ambience. Ambience is the never-ending hum of the setting, and it should always be used under and in between the dialogue for every scene of every film you ever make, unless it's some artful thing set in space or something. That'd be pretty cool. Ambience should be recorded by the people on set, but the people on set, and in fact people in general, aren't very smart, so sometimes you'll just have to grab it off the internet. Either way, you just upload it to Final Cut like you would any footage or sound, like I have here, and drag it so that it's under the entirety of the scene, cutting it at the end of the scene. As such, I've used city ambience here because Bela Lugosi is talking over a city. Once it's under the scene and all its dialogue and everything as it is, you can just like fade in and stuff so it isn't so abrupt. And then listen to how much better it sounds.
People, all going somewhere. All with their own thoughts, their own ideas, all with their own personalities.
Now it actually sounds like a movie. Or at least, I'm telling you that. You can take my word for it. I don't know how good it sounds with this recording of me, because there's probably ambience there, too, of my computer fan kind of ruining things. But that just shows how important ambience is, my class.
Pull the string.
Goodbye.